Hi everyone, my name is Teraya with Peace and Make, and today I'm going to do a baby blanket fabric haul. So what's been going on is I know a lot of people that are having summer babies, and my husband was like, hey, why don't you make a baby blanket for so and so? And I was like, oh yeah, that would be great. So it turned from actually one baby blanket to me making a total of 3 baby blankets and 2 blankets for my son. So that's 5 blankets that I plan on making over the next month to month and a half. So we'll see how much I get done. But before I sew up everything, I already started one of them. But before I finish, I want to show the rest of the blankets that I'm working on. Okay, so I got these baby blankets from Joann Fabrics. They were actually at a really good cost. I have the receipt right here. Most of these I got for like a yard of them. Some of these they're all flannel. No, excuse me, they're all felt. Some of them are as little as $2.99 per yard. And the most was $8.99 per yard. So all of these were under $10. Most of them were under $6 a yard. So yeah, here's the first one. So the idea, and I'll show the one that I've stitched up at the end. I have this one, and I want to match it with this green fabric. So what it's going to be, I lay this out, stitch it. I'm going to quilt diagonals to make a diamond on top of it. I guess this is the summer of quilting because I want to quilt everything right now. The next one, that first one was for a little girl. This next one is for a little boy, baby boy. And I have this really cute camping fabric. Isn't that print just so cute? With the little bears. And then I have this blue fabric to match. The next one, this is the one that was $8.99 a yard. But all the rest of them were not that much. Oops. Haha. Okay, hopefully you can see that when I put up to the camera. But yeah, it's just a whole bunch of little fire trucks. Matching red. My son picked out these 2 fabrics. And then I'm going to make him another blanket. I'm probably just going to fold this over. This one he'll be able to travel with it. The other one will just be for the house. But I'll probably fold this under. I didn't get like a coordinating flannel. This one is pretty thick by itself. But it has this really cool car fabric. So yeah, I'm just gonna fold it under. It's just gonna be a really quick quilt or a blanket. Yeah, a really quick blanket. And then this last one is a sneak peek of what I'm working on. Well, what most of these will look like. So I stitched, I don't know, you can see the quilting. Oh, first let me talk about the fabric. So that fabric is like super cute, that print. It has turtles and raccoon and a moon, just ready for sleepy time and snuggles. And then I really like this pop of color. This is actually my favorite coordinating color because I just really like matching uncommon colors. Like there's no orange or peachy color in this, but I like the way the yellow and the peach play together, and also the green and the peach. So that's why I bought it. But yeah, I'm gonna quilt the rest of the fabrics, and then I'm going to bind the edge. For this one specifically, I'm gonna bind the edge with this. It has little yellow dots on it, and it's a lighter peach. So I watched the YouTube video on it. I'll see if I can post the link below to the video that I watched. And yeah, that's all of them. So hopefully this gives you some ideas for if you have any loved ones that are having any kids, or if you're currently pregnant, or if you have a newborn. Really, if you get like a yard and a half, you can make, or even 2 yards, you can make it for adults. They have some prints that are adult catered, and you can make it like Christmas presents. So there's just like a lot of stuff that you can do with these blankets. But most of mine are going to be baby blankets, and blankets for my son. So yeah. Oh, one more fabric. I have a secret obsession with fat quarters. And so I bought this maybe for like $7. But it comes with all these fat quarters. And I'm going to make some kid projects. I'm just not sure what yet. So I've noticed that kids like really bright colors, like little girls. So I'll be making some with that. But yeah, that's everything I have. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you later. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below. Which print is your favorite? Like I said, I think that this one is my favorite combo. I also really like the fire trucks because I'm biased. But yeah, those are my 2 favorites. What are yours? See you in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.